dream. No. God came to me. In a dream. I knew it was God. Long white beard, pink striped tunic. And the word God spelled out just above him, with arrows pointing to his head. Know your part? I go, hey God, you go, hey God, hey God. Raise the roof. Make the people at the PAP Theater go, what the heck was that? Did my phone just ring? And I said, hey God! Hey God! Hey God! How's it hanging, tough guy? He said, lower yourself before me. I laid down naked on the ground. He said, we're on the 14th floor. Can't you get any lower? So I went down to the basement and I laid down naked on the ground. And I said, hey God, hey God, hey God, how's it hanging, tough guy? He said, lower yourself before me. I said, man, I'm lying naked on the basement floor right now. He said, we're still about, 2,500 feet above sea level. So I got that side, and then I hopped me a taxi, and I rode out to LaGuardia. Hopped a flight to Phoenix. Wasn't hard to do. Every flight goes through Phoenix. Even if you're flying from, say, New York to Boston, you gotta go through Phoenix. And when I got to Phoenix, I rented a car from Budget Rent-A-Car. 'Cause Hertz and Davis and the others wouldn't rent to me in my nakedness. And I rode out to Death Valley and I laid down naked on the ground. And I said, hey God, hey God, hey God, how's it hanging, tough guy? He said the age of specialization is over. He said the age of specialization is over. Man, come on, all this money. Sound like one of the stupid editorials. Specialization. If I go around and I go back to the others and say, hey, I just talked to God. Here's the 11th commandment. That includes the word specialization. We're sunk right there. I said, what do you mean, 11th commandment? I only gave him 8. I said, well, 10. Right? You gave Moses 10 commandments. He said, I ought to know. I only gave him 8. I said, well, I guess he must have added a couple on his own. God sees. Thunder and lightning crashed the heavens. He said, well, at least I hope he didn't change the ones that gave him. Like the one about the moose. I said, yeah, the one about the moose. He said, you know thou shalt not be mean to a moose. I said, oh yeah, Commandment 6 about the moose. Oh man, I got some chutzpah going now. I'm here lying to the Lord. I thought, well, whatever. No one's perfect. Besides, I don't need that lightning jazz lying naked in the desert. So I said, no more specialization, huh, God? And he said, that's right. From now on, y'all do everything. Everybody can paint. Everybody can sing. Everybody can dance. Everybody can cook. Everybody can love. I'm like, you're serious? It's like a nation of dilettantes. He said, no, that's right. From now on, everybody can do everything. said, okay, well, I'll go back and tell him. So I start slinking off, you know, it's like, when's my next gig? You know? He pulls me back by the foot. I'm still naked, getting all scraped. Picks me up by my ankle like I'm a chicken. All the way up, he's whispering in my ear. There's an image for you. Next time you're on the subway and you're changing from the 6 to the 7 at 42nd Street on your way out to Flushing. This is hypnotic suggestion, by the way. Next time you're doing that and the door's open, I want you to think of God holding me naked by my ankle. And whispering in my ear, he says, the best is yet